start now. If I have to restart a brand new YouTube channel in 2025, what's the first thing I will do to grow fast? With no audience, no jar, and no guesswork. You are about to find out. And I am not doing it alone. I am teaming up with one of my amazing subscribers, Grow with Dara 247. We are going to break it down step by step. So if you are thinking of starting a YouTube channel, or you have started, or you feel stuck, this could be the breakthrough you have been waiting for. Number 1, niching down, or what? Picking a niche. Niche means what your channel would be about. Niching down is trying to talk about what your channel is about. For example, my channel is about YouTube tips, YouTube tutorials, YouTube sharing personal experience. That's what my channel is all about. So niching down means trying to talk about everything on one channel is like trying to sell ice cream, jollof rice, car tire at the same shop. Without niching down, that's what it feels like. And what? It convinces the audience and the algorithm. So pick one main topic, whether it's tech, beauty, finance, storytelling, YouTube tips, YouTube tutorial, own it. This helps your audience know what to expect, and YouTube knows who to push your videos to.
The fourth thing I'm going to do is to hook my viewers in the first 5 seconds. Yes. So if I started now, I had mastered the hook. Start with what the video will give them. Not your name, not your slow intro, not your lifestyle clips and all of that. Use powerful words like fast, easy, secret, or even mistake. Tease what is coming on your video. Make them want to stay on your channel and watch your video. Now, for example, now, instead of saying, welcome back to my channel, I had say, here is how I gain 500 subscribers in 3 days by changing one simple setting on my YouTube studio. This is simple, it is powerful, and it makes people watching, and it will make them to subscribe your channel because you are giving them a valuable content.
Number 2, pick a mentor. Picking a mentor does not mean you have to pick a big celebrity or someone you have never met. I'm talking about a creator who you admire. Study their video. Watch how they structure their videos, how they hook their viewers, how often they post. Don't copy, learn from their videos. Reverse engineer what works and apply it in your own way. Remember, having a mentor gives you a blueprint of what you want. So you just know this is what you want. According to my mentor, this is what to say. That's it. So
the next one is make searchable and viral content. Searchable content brings viewers over time. Think about how to edit YouTube videos on phone or best YouTube niches for beginners 2025. This works because people search for them every single day. Viral content, on the other hand, is based on trend or emotion. Think about viral contents like I tried Mr. Beast YouTube strategy for 7 days. This actually gets clicks because it is fun, risky, and curiosity. And lastly, Mr. Beast is a top YouTuber that they know his name on this YouTube platform. So if I combine both searchability and curiosity, I win both short-term and long-term traffic.
Number 3, avoid sub for sub. Sub for sub. Or should I say small to Akaraye? Or should I say less rice? Or should I say vice for vice? See, it's a dangerous thing to do for your channel because you are guarding inactive subscribers. For example, one person used 10 channels to sub to your channel. Ask yourself this question. Ask yourself, will the person use the whole 10th channel to watch your video after sub? No, it's not possible. Because of data, because of time. Let's be honest with each other. They don't care about your content. They won't watch it. They won't engage. Those are for some people. And it's actually up to your channel. Because the only increase in subscriber count, not in view count. So you know. So you should to know that and know peace. YouTube wants real viewers, not ghost viewers. So focus on building engaged audience. Even if it is smart first, chill, it will still work out.
if you should start a YouTube channel, the second thing I'll do is to build a content plan. Yes, not just for you to start posting any type of video. What are you going to do? Pick one niche. Yes, like YouTube tips, fitness, or tech, or even entertainment niche. Don't just miss any topic on your channel, because if you do this, you are complicating the algorithm, and that will make YouTube to not know who to show your videos to. Then I had write 20 video ideas based on what people are already searching for. That is, if you have figured out the type of niche you will be doing on your channel. So if you are looking for tools that you are using to bring out video ideas, I recommend you to YouTube search. What is all about this YouTube search? This YouTube search is just for you to type a keyword, the type of video you want to make, and see what pops up on your what on the search bar. Or you can use free tools like VidIQ. Example, if my niche is all about YouTube growth, I had planned videos like how to get 1000 subscribers fast, best YouTube settings for growth in 2025. These two topics will give me direction and avoid burnout. Yes, I'm not guessing. I'm creating content that people actually want to see on this YouTube platform.
I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss a video when I post again. And see you in my next video. Hi, I'm Bulu. Bye.